Hey, what's going on, guys? HueFin News coming at you with a daily cryptocurrency market update. Today is September 4th, 2017. I just want to come and break in and go ahead and give you guys an update on this market sell-off that is occurring right now in the cryptocurrency market. Now, it shouldn't come as no surprise to anyone who was in the cryptocurrency market as to why the sell-off is occurring today. So we saw a massive down day for the majority of the cryptocurrencies that occurred on the 2nd of September, right? So that was your sign to anyone who was in the market that there's a change occurring within the market. But one of the things that has gotten people by surprise was some of the buying that occurred in some of these cryptocurrencies on yesterday. And today there is news going around that China is banning all ICOs. Now, obviously, the individuals who knew that this was probably going to occur knew about this on the 2nd of September. And we saw that occurring, but yesterday's bar tricked a lot of people into thinking that the market is going to continue to trade sideways or consolidate or possibly move higher. So actually the news came out today and it shook a lot of individuals, traders, investors in the market to where the market is having another double-digit sell-off today. And I want to go ahead and show you guys the cryptocurrency market capitalization website. And you can see that the majority of these cryptocurrencies are having double digits. Even Neo is having almost 36% loss going on right now. Quantum, OMC Go, all of these cryptocurrencies are now having another market sell-off. So with that being said, I just want to come in and give you guys an update on exactly where the market should turn, and as well as what you guys should be doing with your money. Should you be standing to the side, or which cryptocurrencies look possibly to turn sooner than others? So with that being said, we're just not going to waste any time. And let's go ahead and get into these cryptocurrency that we have been looking at over the last couple of weeks. So we're looking at Bitcoin, and they are down 3.99% right now. Last trade was at $4,240.30. But before I get started, I want to let you guys know that we're not investment advisors. We're not giving you guys investment advice. We're just going to give you guys news according to the charts and see exactly what's going to occur within these cryptocurrencies. So let's go ahead and make this chart bigger so I can show you guys where the market should turn. And you can see that some buying is occurring right now within Bitcoin, and it kind of hit the support from the 28th of August. The market is now there trading. But if that is not able to hold, then the market will definitely come back down to 4,000. And if not 4,000, then expect the market to come and hit 3,800. Then if not 3,800, expect the market to hit at 36. It all depends on how eager individuals are trying to get out their positions. But granted, this is and will be a buying opportunity once we see a change of precursors of weakness into precursors of strength. So currently we're looking for Bitcoin to at least possibly come and hit 4,000. And then from there, if we get more precursors of weakness, then we'll go ahead and push it back down to possibly 3,800 and then 3,600. Those are the areas we're looking at to make entry into Bitcoin. So now let's go ahead and look at Ethereum. So if you guys look at the market to where we have driven or have drawn this area that was acting as support, Ethereum now has broken that area. We want to see by the end of the day, can it come back up and at least trade around this support area. You also can see to the left of this trading days where we had this consolidation where the market came and hit that 280, and it's there now. So the market could be possibly finding a resting place for Ethereum right here around this 280 point. But we have such an emphasis going on right now in the market selling that it is too early right now to get into the market and to think about purchasing Ethereum right now. We want to wait until we see the market selling down, and right now It's not the opportunity to go into Ethereum and start purchasing it. But it's just noticeable that the market is now trading right here from around August the 10th, 12th, 13th, 14th, all the way to the 19th, where it was acting as support. Ethereum and now is above that area. So this is a key area, and you need to be watching that right now in order for you to get back into Ethereum. So currently they're down 14.37%. Last trade was at $287.50. So next we're going to go ahead and hit out Bitcoin Cash. So we mentioned yesterday that 520 would have been a good entry point for Bitcoin Cash. It is there again. So you just want to wait until all this urgency in order to sell these cryptocurrencies has been erased before you get back into the market. But the market is right here trading around where it came down on the 29th of August. It's there now. So this could be another opportunity to get into Bitcoin Cash. You just want to wait out and be patient and see exactly what's going to happen to this particular market. Okay. So Bitcoin Cash is down 12.87%. Last trade was at $517. So next we'll go ahead and check out Ripple real quick, see what it looked like. So we knew that stockpile was coming within the market. Market had a down day on the 2nd of September. Looked like the buyers wanted in control, but obviously the stockpile that appeared on yesterday's bar was more sellers than buyers in the market. And the market is right here around 19 cents to where we said it could possibly find that support. So we just want to hold out and hope to see exactly where this is going to occur. If this is actually going to hold support or will the market move lower. So the market for Ripple is now trading right around the support area or the resistance area that occurred on the 5th and 6th of August. So next we're going to go ahead and check out Litecoin. So Litecoin also, all these cryptocurrencies are having push to go down today. The volume is excessive. You can see buying coming in currently right now on today's daily price bar. You want to be cautious in seeing where the market's going to find support. And currently right now you guys can see that it is trying to make that area right now. So continue to stand to the sideline and the market will eventually move to the upside. And possibly you can see that Litecoin could possibly come and hit this area of support once all is said and done. If not, the market might hit around $60. And then you will want to see $56 as the next area of support for Litecoin. So next we're going to go ahead and check out Dash. So Dash as well. The market could possibly come back and hit and test this $280 area. There's such an effort to push these prices lower for Dash. So we're expecting at least Dash to hit 280 to possibly 260. So if there's still more selling in the market for Dash, it's going to definitely hit that 260 area. But at least the market should come and hit 280. So next we're going to go ahead and check out Neo. Neo is we have already known that Neo wasn't having any interest in higher prices. The market has continually been trending lower. And today you have this explicitly, massively spread push to go down bar, and is now trading around $18. So we want to wait, like everyone needs to be on the sideline until we get this market sell-off concluded before you try to jump back in the market and resume higher prices. Okay, but this is definitely the opportunity for a lot of individuals who have been waiting for these cryptocurrencies to come down. This is now that opportunity that we are seeing before you get back into the cryptocurrency market. This is what we needed to flush out, to get back to normal levels, to where we can get more individuals and traders into the market so they can make more profit. And a lot of people were waiting for this. It shouldn't come as no surprise, especially with the Bitcoins, how it's just continually been going up over the last couple of weeks to days. And we've been needing a break. So now is that opportunity. The break is now occurring. So you just want to be patient, continue to tune into these videos and to see when will be another opportunity to get back in the market. So we just need to stand to the sidelines until we see more precursors of strength before we get back into the market. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and check out Ethereum Classic. So Ethereum Classic is right around that $16 area to where we was mentioning previously around September 27th, 28th that it needed to break through that. And it did that on September 1st, and now it's back down to that area again today. And if it could hold here around this $16 area and we see more precursors of strength at this price level, then we will be expecting higher price for Ethereum Classic. So just to be patient, we're not going to get into Ethereum Classic right now. We're just going to go ahead and wait until we see precursors of strength occur in this particular market before we get back in. And currently it's not there yet, but it's there now. But we just want more confirmation as to the selling has been concluded. And the last one we're going to go ahead and check out is Monero. So Monero definitely came back down to that $100 area. It was one of the cryptocurrencies to where we say was acting stronger, but since a huge market sell-off is occurring, we mentioned that yesterday, that all these cryptocurrencies will all go in the same direction and push to go down. And it looked like Monero is right here around that $100 area, and we're expecting that to possibly hold as support. If not, then Monero will definitely come back down to $80. So we're currently looking at all these cryptocurrencies for precursors of strength at all these support areas. Just want to come and give you guys this video as to where it's likely and probable that these cryptocurrencies will halt and find support at, just to give you guys another update, because I know that we know there's a lot of frantic and scared sellers just trying to get out of positions. But overall, definitely long term, these cryptocurrencies could possibly move higher. This is just a major occurrence of selling going on in the market, so we can possibly resume higher price for these cryptocurrencies. So we just got to let the news die down. Those who are in the know will definitely tell us exactly where the market will turn and give us precursors of strength. So you guys just need to continue to hold on, watch the market. And this is one of these critical elements of what we try to emphasize here at HueFin News, is that you guys need to be present constantly in the market. Whenever you have your money in the market, you just can't expect it to sit down and get away from your screen, because that's one of the things that a lot of individuals try to do. They try to get into the market and just let their trade ride, so to speak. No, you can't do that. Whenever you're in the market, you need to always check the market, look for prices. So when the market does change and flip, you're able to get at the market as soon as possible. And that's one thing that a lot of individuals don't tell you. They give you guys entry points, but they don't try to tell you guys when to get out. And that's what we've been doing here at HueFin News, is to give you guys where the precursors of strength are being seen, as well as precursors of weakness. And we saw those precursors of weakness occur on the 2nd of September on a lot of these cryptocurrencies. And then on yesterday's bar, you saw how a lot of the individuals in the market kind of got tricked, or it was most likely like a trial run. So majority of these cryptocurrencies that we saw yesterday was giving us trial runs. And you know, on trial runs, if you look at our videos where we talk about just some of the basics, you can see that we want to see if the buyers were actually successful in maintaining these prices. And for these cryptocurrencies today, they were definitely not successful. So go back and check out that video we made to where just some of the basic terminologies we use in these cryptocurrencies, and you would in fact see that today the cryptocurrency market was not successful in the trial run bars that were reflected on yesterday. And that's one of the reasons why we want to break in and give you guys this update that the market, the buyers within this market are not successful. So this is definitely a seller's market going on right now overall in the whole cryptocurrency market. So just stand to the sidelines, continue to watch these videos as we give you these precursors of strength as they continue to be reflecting on these cryptocurrencies prior to you guys get into these entries before you get back into the market. Just stay tuned to HueFin News, where we give you guys news according to the charts. And we just want to break in and give you guys this update. And as well, stay tuned, watch for more upcoming videos as we continue to give you guys the changes that occur in the market. You guys have a good one, and I'll talk to you guys later.